Representative Adam Schiff, DCA, is reportedly in the running to be the House Speaker if Nancy Pelosi, DCA, should give up her seat. A new report by The Washington Post revealed that Schiff is supposedly making an effort to try to take the top position in the House, if Pelosi, 82, decides to retire following the 2022 midterm elections in November. Schiff's possible bid for the House Speaker position will be an interesting addition to the latest candidates who are reportedly in the running for the top spot. The report says that he's reached out to leadership in various caucuses to get an idea of if there's interest in him running, but the Post says that he has not made an explicit ask for endorsements. Besides Schiff, 62, other Democrats in the mix for the position include House Majority Leader Steny H. Hoyer, DMD, South Carolina Congressman James E. Clyburn, and New York Representative Hakeem Jeffries. Jeffries has been a popular candidate for the role, according to The Atlantic. The New York congressman would be the first black Speaker of the House. He's been a congressman since 2013, and he's served as the chair for the House Democratic Caucus since January 2019. Schiff has been a member of Congress since 2001. He's served as a member of the House Intelligence Committee since 2015, and he became the committee chair in 2019. He was a notable figure during former President Donald Trump's first impeachment that same year when the House committee led the investigation into Trump and findings that he'd pressured Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky to investigate future President Joe Biden and his son Hunter's business dealings in Ukraine. The House approved 2 articles of impeachment, citing abuse of power and obstruction of Congress. Pelosi has been a member of the House of Representatives since 1987. She became the Democratic caucus leader in 2003, and she served as the House Speaker from 2007 to 2011, and then again from 2019 until the present. When Democrats won the House again in 2018, Pelosi made an agreement with her fellow Democrats that she would only serve as the House Speaker for 4 years, per Business Insider.